Good job, Krishna. Good waiting. Keep eraser in the glass. Keep eraser in the glass. Wow, good job. Give it back. Hands quiet. Keep pencil in the bowl. Wow, super, Krishna. Good job. Hands quiet. Hands quiet. Keep sharpener in the bus. Wow, super. Okay, give it back. షార్ప్నర్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసి అప్పుడు స్కూల్ బస్ పెడతాం. ఓకే, గివ్ ఇట్ బ్యాక్. గుడ్ లిజనింగ్ కృష్ణ. అయిపోయి హ్యాండ్స్ క్వైట్. Fold your hands. Keep eraser on the plate. Super. Hands quiet. Keep sharpener on the spoon. Uh-oh. Keep sharpener on the spoon. Very good. Good listening, Krishna.